did a great job.
Sure.
What you think, Mom?
I think they were perfect.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Sure.
They were professional. Got in and got out, and we comfortable with it, and we'll call Texas Quality back anytime.
Everything's just fine, man. I appreciate y'all. Enjoyed meeting you guys, and y'all taking very good care of me. I appreciate it. Okay?
All right, thank you, sir.
All
Man,
right.
you have a nice day.
Thank you very much. Okay.
Thank you, sir, for a job well done.
Experience was good today. Each time y'all come out, y'all really tried to ask what I thought about what the work that was done, and I did appreciate it because you did resolve when you came out. You resolved my concern for the plumbing in the bathroom. So I appreciate it. And you also helped me in giving me an estimate of what it would cost additional for the stoppage equipment that I need. And you also went in the kitchen. And very well. I was very pleased. Y'all were very friendly, and y'all took care of me great. And if anything else happens again, come on back. I'm gonna call you.
Yeah, all right.
All I want is Texas Quality Plumbing now, okay? Thank you.
Thank you.
Reliable time, quality time, everything was just perfect. I will use you guys again.
All right.
Y'all be my number one
Thank you.
person to call.
Thank you, sir.
No, that's all it is.
Experience overall, and really I would appreciate your help and your support, as well as the safe work which you have done for us. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you so much, sir.
Thank
I
you.
appreciate it. What did you like the most out of me?
You all seem so friendly, not impatient, not in a hurry, took your time. You communicated with me well.
Yes, ma'am. All right. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.